Hello students, this is Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of class 3 subject grammar. Today's thought: a mind is like a parachute. It doesn't work if it is not open. So if you want your mind to work, you have to open it. You have to think about all the possibilities. You have to think about new ideas. You have to keep on thinking and thinking. The instructions that are to be followed by everyone: say please when asking, say thank you when receiving something, show respect for others and elders, be polite when someone serves you, put away technology at meal times and conversations, and open the door for others with a smile. In today's video, we shall continue with the revision of chapter 13, kinds of adjectives, that we had started, and also we had completed one exercise from the textbook. I'll give the revision of the previous video. As we had completed exercise 1, we shall revise it. Then we will solve the textual exercises of the chapter, continued from exercise number 2. And finally, we are going to solve some interesting worksheets for the chapter. So whatever we are doing in today's video, you will have to write one time in rough book. Let us revise exercise 1 and then carry on with exercise 2. So here is chapter 13. First of all, you need to give the heading, chapter 13, kinds of adjectives. Give the heading on a new page, write today's date and write the name of the lesson. In this, first we had read some examples. Salim is a helpful boy. Rambo is a naughty dog. Rome is an old city. So in the above 3 sentences, the words helpful, naughty and old are adjectives of quality. They describe the boy, the dog and the city. These are called adjectives of quality. Then we had read exercise 1. We had written the answers to it. Let us revise exercise 1. I want a pair of dash shoes. I had told you, you can write anything. You can write new shoes, expensive shoes, colorful shoes, you can write. There are no dash cookies left. So here we can write chocolate cookies. There are no chocolate cookies left. South India is also famous for its dash temples. We had written ancient. You can write old. The pyramids in Egypt are dash structures. We had written strong or wonderful, you can write. She has a dash handwriting. Here we had written neat. Wonderful also you can write. So this was exercise 1 that we had solved in the previous video. Now we will read ahead some examples. Then we shall solve exercise number 2. Put some sugar in the coffee. A huge crowd gathered for the meeting. We have little milk. So the highlighted adjectives tell us the amount or quantity, means how much of a noun. How much you get, the answer for how much. How much sugar, some. How much crowd, huge. How much milk, little. So these are adjectives of quantity. They tell you how much, they tell you the amount, how much. So this is the keyword how much, and you have to remember that keyword. Adjectives that tell us the quantity of nouns are called adjectives of quantity. Let's read ahead. Here is exercise number 2. We will have to solve exercise number 2 and write the answers. You have to write it one time. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quantity. You have to write adjectives of quantity. Number 1. I want dash rice and curry. I want some rice and curry. Here we can write some. So let's write the answer. SOME. Some. You write the first answer in the blank. I want some rice and curry. So that is adjective of quantity, some. Rita has a dash of homework to complete. A dash of homework. So much of homework is there. So we write lot. Rita has a lot of homework to complete. That means she has so much of homework. A lot means so much of homework. Dash people went to the fair. Dash people went to the fair. So here we can write some people or few people, right? So here we are writing some. Some people went to the fair. Some people went to the fair. Number 4. Please give me dash coffee. Please give me dash coffee. So here also we can write some. Please give me some coffee. Let us write some in the answer. Please give me some coffee. Here we write some. So answer number 4 is some. Please give me some coffee. Number 5. How dash slices of cake did you eat? So here we can write many. How many slices of cake did you eat? So let us write the answer. MANY, many. How many slices of cake did you eat? How many slices of cake did you eat? So these are the 5 answers for exercise number 2. Let's read all the sentences again and see whether the answers are right. I want some rice and curry. Rita has a lot of homework to complete. Some people went to the fair. Please give some coffee. How many slices of cake did you eat? Now let us read the next sentences. So read these sentences. You should carry at least 2 pens during the examination. Number. The class has 50 students. Number. I came second in the class this year. Position. So in these sentences 2 and 50 tell us the number of pens and students. The adjective second tells us the position of someone in the class. So all these words, see 2 pens, it tells us how many pens. 50 students, it tells us how many students. Second in the class, it tells us the rank, which rank, second rank or third rank. So all these are called adjectives of numbers. Adjectives that tell us the number of nouns are called adjectives of number. They tell us the number of nouns. How many, you have to ask the question. So you will get adjective of number. So based on that we have exercise number 3. Let us solve exercise 3. Adjectives of number. You have to write adjectives of number in the answers in all the blanks in exercise number 3. Let's read number 1. My grandmother is celebrating her dash birthday. My grandmother is celebrating her 60th, you can write, or 61st birthday. Whatever you want according to the age of the grandmother, we have to write this. Whatever age of grandmother you want to fix, you may do it. So I am writing over here 61st. FIRST, 61st means 61. 61st birthday. Grandma is has turned 61 years old today. So she is celebrating her 61st birthday. Next, my cat gave birth to dash kittens. So cat gives birth to generally 3, 4, 5 kittens, right? So here let us write 5. My cat gave birth to 5 kittens. 5 kittens. You may write 3, 4. It is up to you. But it should be number. Number 3. We celebrate Independence Day on dash of August. So this answer you cannot write yourself, because it is fixed that India celebrates Independence Day on 15th of August. I hope you know that 15th August and Republic Day is on 26th January. But Independence Day is on 15th of August. So here we write 15th. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August. Next, I need dash minutes to complete the exercise. So generally for writing one exercise we need 10 to 15 minutes. If you write with good handwriting, right, 15 minutes are enough. So what should we write? Let us write the word 15. FIFTEEN. I need 15 minutes to complete this exercise. See, all these are numbers which we have written in the blanks. Number 5. Father will be home in dash days. So father will be home in 2 days or 3 days, 5 days, whatever you want to write. 7 days. If he has gone out of country, it might take a month, right? 30 days. So here we are writing 2 days. Maybe he has gone nearby. He might come back in 2 days. So father will be home in 2 days. So this is an end of exercise number 3. Let us read the next couple of sentences about possessive adjectives. My mother works in a school. Our house was sold. Do not touch her things without permission. So you see, in the above sentences, the highlighted words are my, our, her. These are called possessive adjectives because they show who owns something, who is the owner, whose thing it is. Whose? You have to ask the question, whose? See, for example, my mother works in a school. So you ask the question, whose mother works in a school? Whose mother? My mother. So my is possessive adjective. Our house was sold. Whose house was sold? Our house. So our is possessive adjective. Do not touch her things without permission. Whose things? Her things. So her is possessive adjective. So I hope you understood what are possessive adjectives. Adjectives that tell us who owns or possesses something are called possessive adjectives. Spelling you have to learn POSSESSIVE, possessive adjectives. Based on possessive adjectives, we have an exercise, that is exercise number 4. Let's read and write the answers to exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjectives. So which are the possessive adjectives? My, your, his, her, our, their, all these are possessive adjectives. They show the possession. They show ownership. Who is the owner of which thing, or whom does the thing belong to? Number 1. Karan and Kathy went to dash grandparents' house. So Karan and Kathy are 2 boys. So we cannot write his grandparents because 2 boys are there. So we write their, because grandparents belong to both of them. So Karan and Kathy went to their grandparents' house. There means grandparents belong to both of them. I cannot find dash school dress anywhere. So you cannot find whose school dress. Whose school dress will you wear? Your. So I cannot find my school dress. Here we write the answer my. I cannot find my school dress anywhere. Maybe it is kept somewhere and now we are unable to see, unable to find out where it is. So my. Bring dash test copy right now. Bring dash test copy right now. So whose test copy will the teacher ask you for? Your test copy. So here we will write the answer your. Y-O-U-R. That is also possessive adjective. Bring your test copy right now. Number 4. He has lost dash mobile phone and laptop. Whose mobile phone? He has lost his mobile phone, of course. The mobile phone, laptop belonged to him. He lost it. So here we write his. He lost his mobile phone and laptop. He accidentally smashed dash glass shed with the ball. He accidentally smashed dash glass shed with the ball. Accidentally smashed, you can say his glass shed, the shed which we have, glass shed. Accidentally smashed his glass shed with the ball. His glass shed. Right? So answer is his. So here we come to an end of exercise number 4. After solving exercise number 4, let us read couple of sentences. Read these sentences. I used to play in this park. Distribute those mangoes. So here this and those are adjectives. And which kind of adjectives are they? They are possessive, they are demonstrative adjectives. Which are that? Demonstrative. See, the words like this, these, that, those are also used as adjectives. They help in pointing out a specific person, place, animal or thing. They are called demonstrative adjectives. Which words? This, that, these and those. These 4 are called demonstrative adjectives. This park and those mangoes are demonstrative, the 2 words which are underlined. Now, the last exercise for the chapter, exercise number 5. Fill in the blanks with suitable demonstrative adjectives. So here you can write only the 4, this, that, these and those. Let's write. Dash place is haunted. Haunted means there are ghosts. You should be away from that place. So that is haunted. Dash place is haunted. So you can write this, THIS. This place is haunted. When do we write this? When it is only one and which is near. If it is far, we write that. If it is plural, we write THESE, these. But here it is only one place, so we write this. Dash books should be kept on the top shelf. So here it is plural, you can see books, so many books. So we write plural form, THESE, these. These books should be kept on the top shelf. These books, THESE, these. Check dash box. I think the earrings are inside it. Check this box. Because the box is just by your side, it is just near you. So we write this. Check this box. check this box. THIS, this. Number 4. I think father was looking for dash papers. See, papers means it is plural. Over here it is given papers, plural. So we write these. THESE, these. It is plural form. I think father was looking for these papers. So here we completed exercise number 5 of chapter number 13, kinds of adjectives. Now let us solve the worksheet. So here is worksheet number 1. Read and match. You have to read the words and you have to match. So you have to match the pronouns with the adjectives. Let us read the pronouns and adjectives. First we read on the left side, the pronouns are given, adjectives are given on the right side. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Let us read the right side. Column, her, their, its, my, our, his, your. So here we have to match the following. Let us match it one by one. Number 1, you see I. With what should we match I? I means it belongs to me, the thing that belongs to me. So I, we have to match with my. I am the owner, so it is my thing. I say I am the owner of the bag, so it is my bag. You are the owner of that thing. You are the owner of the bag means it is your bag. So you we match with your. You, your. Then we are the owner means it is our bag. If you say we are the owner of the house, then it is our house. Our. So we is matched with our. They means if you say they are the owner of the house, the house is theirs. They are the owner, so it is their house. So their. Second option. He, it is his pen. You say he is the owner of the pen, so it is his pen. So he match with his. She is the owner of that car, so it is her car. You say she is the owner of that car, so it is her car. And last, it means its. It belongs to it, so it is its. It is matched with its. So this also you have to write in homework one time. Please take the screenshot for this. Then we have the second worksheet over here. As you can see, choose the right possessive adjectives. Right? Correct possessive adjectives we have to write over here. Let us write the answers one by one. My sister has got a dog. Dash dog is brown. So sister, it is about a girl. So what do we write over here? His dog or her dog? Here we have to write her dog because it is about a sister, girl. So her dog is brown. HER, her. Then number 2. I have got a book. Dash book is green. See, I have got the book. So whose book it is? My book, right? I have got it. So my book is green. We write over here my. The second answer is my. The first answer is her. So here also we write H capital as it is the first alphabet, right? You already know. First alphabet we write capital. Next. Peter has got a cat. Dash cat is small. Peter's cat. So Peter is a boy. So we write his. His cat is small. As I said, for boys we write his. So here we will write his. Number 4. They have got a bedroom. Dash bedroom is pink. It belongs to them. It is their bedroom. See, from they we write their. Their bedroom. Their. Their. Their bedroom is pink. You have got a brother. Dash brother is nice. You have got your brother. So your brother. The brother belongs to you. So your brother. YOUR. Your brother. You have got a brother. Your brother is nice. It is a crocodile. Dash color is green. It is a crocodile. Its color. From it we write its. And for animals, birds we write it. Right? You already know. For animals we use it. So here its color. Because we are talking about crocodile's color. So we cannot write it color. Its color. Next. We have got a garden. Dash garden is big. See, we have got the garden. So whose garden? It belongs to us. It is our garden. So here we write our. Our garden is green. We have got a garden. Our garden is green. The Simpsons have got a TV. Simpsons means this family, the surname of the family. The Simpsons have got a TV. Dash TV is old. See, it belongs to them. So it is their TV. It belongs to the Simpsons. There are so many people. So we write their. 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 Their TV is old. Jack has got two friends. Dash friends are Bob and Tom. So they belong to Jack. They are Jack's friend. So here we write his. His friends. Right? HIS. His. His friends are Bob and Tom. Jack has got two friends. His friends are Bob and Tom. We have got a car. Dash car is red. We have got a car. Our car is red. Because here also we had written our. You can see in the blank above. We have got a garden. Our garden is big. So whenever we is given means the things belong to us. So we write our. Our car is red. So here we complete our today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.